Talking to a close friend of mine who had hair restoration done 10 years ago at Bosley. And he told me about the process and about the full day's work that he went through to have that hair procedure done. He was preparing me for it when I chose Dr. Lamb. And he said, here's what's going to happen to you when you go in. It's going to be a very long day. You're going to be wide awake for the whole thing. You're going to feel them poking on your head. You're going to feel this and that. And it's a very long and boring day. In fact, he was telling me about how he was reading magazines, watching TV shows, while they were putting the individual hairs into his head. And he said it made him feel uncomfortable, but he was so happy that he had done it. So I came here to Dr. Lamb's office, and I didn't know what to expect other than what my friend had told me about his experience at Bosley. What I do know is that everybody here was an extreme professional from the moment I walked in the door. They put me in my chair, they laid me back, they gave me a couple of pills, and they put an IV in my arm, and I slept through most of the entire procedure. They woke me up around lunchtime. I had a nice lunch with staff. Then they gave me a couple of more pills and some IV sedation, and I was out again until almost the last hour of the procedure. All in all, it was a fantastic procedure. Everybody was so kind and professional from the moment I walked in the door to the moment I left. And the overall experience of going home on the first night and not having any pain, being able to sleep, no uncomfortableness at all, was the complete opposite of what my friend had experienced and prepared me for. So when I called him and I told him about that, he could not believe what I had gone through. My results are great. I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like in 4 months when the hair starts to come in. But I cannot thank Dr. Lamb and his staff enough for the amazing job they did and how well they took care of me.